What's up, YouTube? How's it going, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good holiday season. I am so stoked because I just got a box in the mail from DRW Performance. I can't wait to unbox this and show you guys what's inside. Got a couple of new parts in for the Raptor 700. I'm going to be just unboxing them today and taking a look. Before I go any further, I want to mention their website. That's drwperformanceatv.com. Again, that's drwperformanceatv.com. And they make protection for ATVs, all different types of ATVs, case savers, skid plates, rotor guards, that kind of thing. All different types of parts. So check out drwperformanceatv.com. And since it's almost Black Friday, be sure to use code BLACK20 when you're checking out for an extra savings off of your parts. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and take a look inside this box, see what we got from DRW Performance. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. Quick video, just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of the DRW Performance brake rotor protector, sprocket guard, and of course chain slider. Also check out their case saver that I did another video about in a previous episode. Be sure to check out the DRW Performance case saver for the Raptor 700. Also available on the drwperformanceatv.com website. Don't forget to use code BLACK20 on your ATV parts purchase for a little extra savings this Black Friday. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.